Welcome to our guide on making $10,000 in a month as a student. We'll explore practical strategies that leverage your skills and interests to hit this exciting financial milestone. Keep in mind, results can vary, and some methods may need initial investments or specific skills. Let's dive in and start turning your potential into profit. Step 1 in building a successful career involves identifying your skills and interests. Begin with a self-assessment by listing your skills, talents, and interests. Leverage your academic knowledge to create income opportunities, such as tutoring or freelance writing in your areas of expertise. This alignment increases the chances of finding fulfilling and profitable opportunities. Step 2 involves selecting opportunities such as freelancing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr for skills in writing, design, or programming, or online tutoring on Chegg and Tutor.com for subjects like math and science. Explore e-commerce with Shopify or Etsy for handmade goods, content creation on YouTube or TikTok for tutorials or vlogs, and gig economy jobs like delivery with Uber and DoorDash. Step 4 entails marketing and networking strategies. Build your personal brand by establishing a strong online presence across relevant platforms. Expand your network by joining online communities and attending industry events. Utilize email marketing and referrals to acquire clients and grow your business further. Step 5 involves execution and adaptation. Start small by tackling manageable projects or gigs to gain experience and build momentum. Continuously monitor your progress by tracking income and expenses. Remain flexible, seek feedback, and adapt your strategies to improve and grow over time. In conclusion, remember the key steps and strategies outlined. From identifying skills to executing plans and adapting along the way. Stay committed, resilient, and embrace the journey towards building a successful career.